Hello friends, today we learn how to create a mandala template. Create a new page, 1000 pixels weight, and 1000 pixels height. Color mode RGB. 300 dpi. Select the line tool, and draw a horizontal line, and a vertical line. Make sure the horizontal line aligns center, and the vertical line aligns center. Now, select the brush tool to drawing a curve symbol, like this. I've tried one more time for the expected symbol. Okay, finally done. Select all appearance on the layer panel, then go to Effect, then Distort and Transform, then Transform, Reflect X, copy 1. Again, go to Effect, then Distort and Transform, apply the new effect, rotate 30 degrees, copy 11. Turn off those layer view mode. Select the line tool and draw a vertical line. Make sure the line is the vertical align center and horizontal align center. Select the line, mouse right click, go to transform, then rotate -15 degree, and press OK. The most important part, go to the pen tool. Add an anchor point in the middle of the circle. Then select the direct selection tool, cut off the line end point. From the middle point, draw a new line by hold on the Shift key. And join both. Now, select the path. Mouse right click, make a clipping mask. View mode that layer again. Our template is almost ready for design. The same way, we make the grid area of design. Follow the tutorial carefully. Now, this template completely ready for design. Select all the layers, and expand appearance. Go to Pathfinder and make divide. Ungroup all layer, go to select, then same, then fill color. Now, move the design from the artboard. Then delete unnecessary elements from the artboard. Then move again design on the artboard and make Unite from Pathfinder and change color as you wish. The design is ready to submit. Thank you for watching it. Subscribe my channel for the more helpful tutorial.